What impact has Mind in the Making had on the participants or the facilitators whom you have worked with?
The impact has been tremendous, from someone buying a house on a WOOP to a young mom getting braces. Again, tribute to the WOOP, to families playing board games again on the floor and taking a cut into their screen time to really engage, making the most impact quality time over quantity of time, because people are pressed for time, many times. So we're giving them these great strategies to use in the line at the grocery store or while the children are in the back seat of the car, and just finding these pockets of time to make them more memorable. And it's fun for the parents or the adults, the teachers, preschool teachers, elementary ed teachers take this as well for continuing education. And it's fun for them to have new strategies too, and to report back each week of, I tried this and guess what? We found out that. And I just recently had a Mind in the Making facilitator who's done it for years retake the Mind in the Making workshops and report back that she did the 5 love languages with her husband and has been married for over 20 years and discovered new things about each other. So there's just never an ending to learning more and more. And people really seem to be connecting with that and happy to learn more.